welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video on healthy meals to help you gain muscle. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. To start out, as many of you guys know, I love working out. I work out every single day, multiple times a day. But even that alone isn't going to get you where you want to be fitness-wise if you don't eat properly. Part of the reason I have been able to gain so much muscles is because I have changed my diet and I'm eating a little bit more on the healthier side. And I try to eat things that have protein. One of the things I really love eating is overnight cold oatmeal. As you guys know, I don't eat breakfast. I eat at 12, sometimes even later than that if I'm too busy, because I do my morning celery juice. What I do is I prepare 3, sometimes 4 or 5 cold oatmeals, and I store them in a mason jar and I keep them in the fridge so I can just use them throughout the week. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I want you guys to make sure that you have old-fashioned oats and not quick oats. They're perfect for absorbing the liquids overnight, in contrast to the quick oats, which would get a little bit on the mushy side if you leave them overnight. I'm going to be using my juicer, the same one I use in almost all my cooking videos, and a mason jar because it is the perfect way to measure your portions. Once you have blended that, we are going to add the oats. You can do it in a separate bowl. I'm just going to do it in here and stir it with a spoon to make less of a mess. Now we are going to do our blue overnight oats using blueberries. Next, we are going to make my favorite one of all, our chocolate oatmeal. I'm going to be using protein powder, but feel free to use cacao powder if you don't want to use protein powder. Let's get started. And there we have it, my 3 overnight oats for the week. So delicious. One of the questions that I usually get is, do you have to use oat milk? No, you do not have to use oat milk. Do you have to use the same exact fruits I did? No, you do not have to use the same exact fruits I did. You can change it around, alter it to your own personal taste. I personally love bananas and strawberries, so that's why I chose to eat those. But feel free to alter it as long as you keep some of the key ingredients, which is the milk and some sort of yogurt to make it thick. And you do want to make sure you use old-fashioned oats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. Bye guys.